Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic product to review that's sure to elevate your kitchen experience. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's dive into the Etekcity 0.1g food kitchen scale with bowl. This digital scale is designed not just for accuracy but also for versatility in your cooking and baking endeavors. With a maximum capacity of 11 pounds or 5 kilograms, it's perfect for all sorts of culinary tasks, from meal prep to portion control. Now, one of the standout features of this scale is its high precision. It can measure items down to 0.1 grams for weights under 1,000 grams, and for heavier items between 1,000 and 5,000 grams, it provides measurements in 1 gram increments. This level of precision is essential, especially if you're tracking your food intake for weight loss or dieting. Another practical feature is its removable bowl. It flips up and down for easy usage and storage. This detachable design allows you to mix ingredients freely without worrying about making a mess. Plus, when it's not in use, you can easily store it away without taking up too much space. The bowl can even serve as a protective cover and allows for direct measurement without needing the bowl, which adds to its versatility. This scale also offers various unit options. You can weigh items in ounces, pounds, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters. It even has the ability to switch between the densities of milk and water. This feature is particularly useful if you're following specific recipes or dietary plans that require precise measurements. Another aspect worth mentioning is the display. The large backlit display measures 2.4 by 1.1 inches, which makes it easy to read your results, even in dim lighting. You won't have to squint or lean in to see the numbers, which is a big plus during busy cooking sessions. The Etekcity kitchen scale is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're an enthusiastic home cook, a professional chef, or someone who is serious about meal prepping or dieting, this scale can meet your measuring needs. It's also great for pet owners who need to weigh out their pet's food, or for those who engage in hobbies that require precise measurements, like baking or even crafting. In practical terms, this scale is an excellent addition to your kitchen. Imagine baking a cake that requires exact flour measurements or cooking a steak that needs precise seasoning. It's also perfect for portion control, helping you stick to your diet by providing accurate measurements of your food. You can use it for weighing coffee beans for that perfect cup of brew, or even for measuring out ingredients for homemade pet food. Overall, the Etekcity 0.1g kitchen scale with bowl combines functionality with ease of use, making it a valuable tool in your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're looking to lose weight, bake delicious treats, or simply want to ensure you're using the right amount of ingredients, this scale delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.